dance is called Cross My Heart. 48 count, 4 waltz. There are 3 restart in this dance. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, do a right toe strut. Toe strut, left toe strut, toe strut, rocking chair. Rock, recover, back, recover. Section 1 again. Toe strut, rocking chair. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2 is a repeat of section 1. So another toe strut, rock, recover, back, recover. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, make a quarter to your left, stepping right to the side, step left next to right, step your right back, hold 1 count, step your left to the side, step right next to left, forward your left, hold 1 count. It's actually a reverse rumba box. So now, third section, a quarter to your left, together, back hold, side together, forward hold. Third section with a count. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Fourth section. Rock right, recover on left. Rock right, recover left. Step right back. Kick left forward. Step left back. Kick right forward. Rock right behind and recover. Fourth section. Rock right forward. Rock, recover on left. Step back on right. Kick left. Step back on left. Kick right. Rock right. Back. Recover. Fourth section with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fifth section. Diagonal right together and do a twist. Diagonal together, twist to your right. Right, center. Repeat this for the left. Diagonal, left together, twist to the left. Left, center. So fifth section, again, diagonal, right, twist, right, center. Diagonal, left, twist, left, center. Fifth section with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section. Step right diagonal back with a touch together clap. Diagonal back, touch, clap at the same time. Repeat this. Back, touch, clap. Back, touch, clap. Back, touch, clap. Last section with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me show you the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you finish the dance. In this dance, there are 3 restarts at wall 5, wall 7, and also wall 3. Let me show you wall 3. Facing 6 o'clock, we do the wall 3. There's a restart at the end of 24 count. So this is wall 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And this is the end of the 24 count in wall 3. And you do a restart here. Toe struck, rocking chair. And you repeat this for wall 5 and wall 7, also at the end of 24 count.